How much were you asking on your cards?
Throw me an offer and I think about it.
Oh, right, okay. How much is your camera, mate?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Is it working?
Yeah. Probably not charged though.
You doing it less than 10 on it?
No,
What about your Polaroid one?
that one's 10 as well, but I think that's missing the charger.
Tell you what, I'll give you a tenner for that one. That one, mate. Cheers, pal. Thank you.
Cheers.